experiment is estimation of Fe2 plus solution using Ceric 4 plus ions potentiometrically. In this case, the oxidation reduction system contains excess of Fe2 plus ions which are oxidized to Fe3 plus ions by using Ceric 4 plus ions. EMF of the cell depends on the electrode potential of the indicator electrode. The indicator electrode we are using here is a platinum electrode. The EMF measurements can be used to determine the equivalence point of the titration of Fe2 plus ions against Ceric 4 plus ions solution. The electrode reduction potential of Fe2 plus to Fe3 plus system is represented as follows. E is equals to E0 minus RT upon NF ln of A Fe2 plus upon A Fe3 plus, where E0 is the standard reduction potential of Fe3 plus to Fe2 plus system. Requirement for the experiment is, first we require burette 10 cm cube pipette, beaker 100 cm cube volumetric flask, etc. Also we require potentiometer, calomel electrode, platinum electrode and KCl salt bridge. Chemicals required are distilled water, Fe2 plus ion solution, 0.1 normal Ceric 4 plus ion solution and saturated KCl solution. Procedure of the experiment is, first fill the burette with 0.1 normal Ceric 4 plus ion solution. Dilute the given solution of Fe2 plus with distilled water in 100 cm cube volumetric flask. Pipette out 10 cm cube of it in a 100 cm cube beaker. Insert a platinum electrode and connect it to the positive terminal of the potentiometer. Take a saturated KCl solution in another 100 cm cube beaker after cleaning and rinsing it. Place a calomel electrode in a KCl solution and connect it to the negative terminal of the potentiometer. Insert a KCl salt bridge connecting two beakers. Standardize the potentiometer and measure the EMF of the cell. Add 0.5 cm cube of Ceric 4 plus ion solution at a time from the burette. Stir the solution and measure EMF after each addition. Let us observe the readings and note it down in an observation table. Volume of Fe2 plus solution pipetted out for titration is about 10 cm cube. Here is the number of observations we are carried out. Hence, addition of volume of Ceric 4 plus solution added each time is 0.5 cm cube. Also, the EMF from the potentiometer can be observed. We are getting here in this column. Simultaneously, we can calculate delta E by subtracting E2 minus E1 in millivolt. Also, delta V, that is change in volume, can also be determined, which is constant, that is we are adding 0.5 cm cube each time. Delta E divided by delta V can also be calculated, which is having unit in millivolt per cm cube. Also, the corrected volume can also be calculated, which is required for the plot is V plus delta V divided by 2 is the corrected volume. Plot graph plotting. In this, we have to plot a graph of EMF versus volume of titrant added, which is obtained in sigmoid in nature. From this, we are getting equivalence point at 5.5 cm3, whereas another graph is of delta E divided by delta V against corrected volume. From this, we are getting corrected bell shape plot, and the equivalence point is obtained at 5.75 cm3. Let us move toward the last part of the experiment, that is the calculation part. First, normality of Fe2 solution. Volume of 0.1 normal solution required for equivalence point. From graph of EMF against volume of titrant added, Vx1 obtained, which is 5.5 cm3, and from the graph of delta E divided by delta V against corrected volume, we are getting another equivalence point, which is Vx2, which is equals to 5.75 cm3. The mean of the volume is equals to 5.5 plus 5.75 divided by 2. Therefore, mean equivalence point is equals to 5.625 cm3. Hence, amount of Fe2 plus in the given solution can be calculated. For this, 10 cm3 of diluted Fe2 plus solution required Vx cm3 of 0.1 normal steric 4 ion solution. That is, 10 cm3 required 5.625 cm3 of steric 4 plus ion solution. 100 cm3 of diluted Fe2 plus solution requires 10 into Vx, that is 10 into 5.625 cm3 of 0.1 normal steric 4 plus ion solution. 1000 cm3 of 1000 cm3 of 1 normal steric 4 plus ions is equals to 55.85 gram of Fe2 plus. Therefore, 10 into Vx, that is 10 into 5.625 cm3 of 0.1 normal steric 4 plus ions is equals to 55.85 into 10 into 5.625 into 0.1 divided by 1000. From this, we are getting amount of Fe2 plus present in a given solution, which is equals to 0.314 gram of Fe2 plus ion. Result of the experiment is volume of 0.1 normal steric 4 plus ion solution required for titration of 10 cm3 of diluted Fe2 plus solution is 5.625 cm3. Amount of Fe2 in the given solution is 0.314 gram. Thank you.